And here is the after video of this job with the new doors installed, and you can see the difference. Have a nice clean look, no more windows. The homeowner did not want windows, and of course that lock handle is gone. So now let's take a look on the inside. Get in, close this up. Now you can see these are the Steelback insulated doors. These look very nice, very clean look. The insulation on these particular types of doors is not exposed on the inside. It's covered in a layer of steel, and you can now see the spring torsion system that's mounted above. It's not on the extension spring anymore. Real nice look.